Hey everyone, it's Audrey with Social Media 4, that's the number 4beginners.com, where I teach you, the complete newbie, how to use all these different social media sites so that you can stay connected to your family and friends. So in this video tutorial, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can block and unblock a friend on Facebook. Now, I do want to let you know that when you block a friend, they are no longer going to be able to see your timeline. They will not be able to send you messages. They will not be able to tag you or to invite you to any events or groups. They will not be able to add you as a friend anymore, and you will basically unfriend them. Now, they will not be notified that you have unfriended them, but if they go looking for you and they don't see you anymore, they may catch on and realize that maybe you've unfriended them or blocked them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do this on a desktop as well as your Facebook app. So if you are doing this on the Facebook app, you can go ahead and just slide over to the next chapter and check it out on there. But first we're going to do the desktop. Okay, so let's jump right in and let me show you how to do it. So here we are on the home page of Facebook, and right from your news feed, you are able to block a friend. So let's say you're scrolling through and you come across a friend that you've been wanting to block. What you would simply do is just mouse over their name and then choose these three dots. Then click on block, and then it's just letting you know what I've already told you at the beginning of the video is what they're no longer going to be able to do. It is going to block Crystal because you're not going to be her friend. It's going to unfriend her. And then it just lets you know, hey, maybe you don't want to take this step in blocking them. You can also just take a break from seeing their stuff in your news feed. So you would just click on confirm. Another way that you can block someone is actually going to their profile. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to search on my sister, and I'll go to her profile. Now I'm on my sister's profile, and over here to the right is those three dots again. So I can click on that, click on block, and from there say confirm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to block my sister and then show you how we're going to unblock her. So we're going to confirm. So this is just letting you know that this is profile specific. So I have blocked my sister Melissa's profile, this specific profile, but if she has other profiles, then that's not blocked. But they do say that they'll limit some of the ways that she's going to be able to interact with me. Okay, so I'm going to say, yep, sure, confirm. So now she's blocked, and it automatically brought me to my blocking settings, which is where you're going to go when you want to unblock someone. So let me just show you what that looks like and how to get to that. From your home screen, what you're going to do is go up here to the top right where your profile picture is and click on that, and then click settings and privacy, settings, and then over here to the left, choose privacy and then blocking. And now you have manage blocking, and right here where it says block users, choose edit, choose see your blocked list. And here is my sister's profile. So I'm going to say unblock. So right here, it's just letting you know what Melissa is going to have access to again. But keep in mind that you have 48 hours before you can block them again. So if you're trying to unblock them for them to see something and then block them again, it's not going to work. You have to wait 48 hours. So I'm going to choose confirm. Now Melissa has been unblocked, and let's go back to her profile. Now remember, when you blocked that friend, it unfriended you. So in order for me to become friends with my sister again, now I've got to go back in there and say add friend. And now my sister has to accept that friend request. So now let's jump into the Facebook app, and let me show you how to block and unblock a friend using the Facebook app. On the Facebook app, unfortunately, there is no way to block any friend directly from the newsfeed. You'll have to go directly to their profile in order to block them. So let's just tap on this magnifying glass up here to the top right. We'll search on the name of the friend that we're gonna block. So I'm just gonna start typing in my daughter's name, and I'm just gonna tap on her profile. Now, once I'm on her profile, I'm gonna tap on these 3 dots right here, and you'll see where it says block. So I'm just gonna tap on block. And once again, Facebook is just letting us know what this friend is no longer going to be able to do. So we are okay with that, understanding that this will unfriend this friend. We're gonna tap on block. Keep in mind that this is a profile specific block, meaning if Michaela has other profiles that I'm friends with, it's not going to block those other profiles, only this one. So I'm gonna tap on close, and now it says this content isn't available. That means even if we searched for Michaela, since we blocked her, we're not even going to be able to see her profile, and she's not gonna be able to see our profile. I don't want to keep my daughter blocked, so what I'm gonna do is show you how to unblock a certain profile or a certain person. So what I'm going to do is, let's just say that you've arrived at your Facebook app right from your home screen. What we're going to do is tap on these 3 horizontal lines right here to the bottom right, or hamburger menu. And then you're going to scroll down until you see settings and privacy. So we're going to tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. And from here, you're going to see your profile settings, and you'll tap on profile settings, scroll down until you see blocking, and tap on blocking. Now, this is where you can see all of the blocked people and unblock them, but you can also add to your block list. So if you did have a few people that you wanted to block at one time, you could just tap on add right here and start typing in the name, and then add them to the block list. But for right now, what I want to do is I want to unblock my daughter, Michaela. So I'm going to tap on unblock. And now it's letting you know that, listen, if you unblock this person, you're going to have to wait 48 hours to block them again. So if you want to get in there and you want to see what they're doing, or you want them to see what you're doing and then block them real quick, you're not going to be able to do it. You have 48 hours. So I'm going to tap on unblock, and now you'll notice that I don't have anybody under my blocked people. So I can go back and go back home. Now what I have to do is I want to friend my daughter. So I'm going to find her profile again, which is right here. And now I have to add her as a friend. So I'm going to tap on add friend. And now I've got to call her up and tell her that that was in fact me, and then I was just doing a video of blocking her and unblocking her. But that is how you block and unblock a friend on your Facebook app. And there you have it. So if this video helped you in any way, why not give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button along with the bell button so that you're notified every single time that I put up one of these free video tutorials. Until next time, y'all be blessed. Bye.